Unlock your sales insights by mastering how to download important reports from Zoho books, a crucial step in understanding and growing your business. First, navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard and locate the Reports tab in the left-hand menu. Click on it to access the comprehensive reporting suite. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll see various categories. Look for and click on the Sales category. This will filter the available reports to focus specifically on your sales data. Within the Sales category, you'll find several useful reports today. We'll focus on a common one, Sales by Customer. Click on this report to select it. Now you'll see the Sales by Customer report, which often defaults to a specific period before downloading. Adjust the date range to cover the exact period you need to analyze, for example, the last quarter or the current year. You might also want to refine the data. Look for a Customize Columns or similar option. Clicking this allows you to include or exclude specific data points like item details, tax amounts, or payment status. Additionally, feel free to use the Apply Filters option to narrow down your results further. You can filter by customer name, sales representative, or even item purchased. Once your report is customized to your exact needs, locate the Export or Download button, typically found at the top or bottom of the report. A menu will appear offering different file formats for easy data analysis in spreadsheets. Choose CSV. If you prefer a printable document, select PDF. Your report will then be downloaded to your computer. You can now open this file in your preferred spreadsheet software to begin your in-depth sales analysis.